Spark plugs are made from strong materials and can handle a lot of pressure, but they don't last forever. Bosch recommends following the vehicle manufacturer's change intervals.
However, sometimes spark plugs need to be changed sooner. Here are a few signs that spark plugs may need to be changed. Unusual combustion noises before reaching the ideal operating temperature, increased fuel consumption, trouble starting the car, or engine misfires. If any of these symptoms occur, the spark plugs need to be changed immediately.
Now, let's talk about the 5 most common mistakes when changing spark plugs.
Mistake number 1 is not changing all spark plugs at the same time. Here is the thing. The spark plugs in one engine are all subject to the same strains. So if one spark plug fails, the others are likely to follow shortly after. It can lead to engine damage and misfiring. That's why Bosch recommends replacing all spark plugs in one go.
Mistake number 2 is not cleaning the surroundings of the combustion chamber. Dirt and dust can accumulate on the engine, readily falling into the combustion chamber and leading to potential damage. To prevent this, simply clean the area near the spark plug before removal.
Mistake number 3 is adjusting the electrode gap. Bosch does a lot to ensure that the spark plug arrives at the workshop with exactly the right electrode gap. During production, cameras monitor the exact setting of the electrode gap. A protective sleeve ensures that this distance is not changed during transportation, so no readjustment is necessary before installation. And here's a pro tip. Don't try to extend the spark plug's life by adjusting the gap. The precious metal that has already burned off can actually mess with the spark plug's performance. Trust us, it is not worth it.
Mistake number 4 is using lubricants. Spark plugs have a specific torque for tightening. Using lubricants reduces friction, which then can result in over-torque of the spark plug and potentially damaging the spark plug or the engine. Bosch spark plugs are designed to be installed without lubrication.
Mistake number 5 is not using a torque wrench or applying the wrong torque. If you don't pay attention to the right torque, you risk damaging the spark plug, like breaking the housing or even the cylinder head. On the other hand, if the torque is too low, the seal won't be good enough.
You can find the correct torque on the packaging. Our TechNugget installing spark plugs has all the details you need to know about using a torque wrench correctly. Check it out. Correct maintenance and the use of high-quality spark plugs are a sustainable investment for reliable engine functionality. Bosch spark plugs are engineered to minimize wear and tear from the start and feature a long service life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and visit our website down below.